three things you'll only see in Japan. First, in Japan,
In-order ko siya na
people use something called a sticky belt to write notes. You can write notes on it and wear it on your hand like this. Later, you can easily erase the notes and reuse it again. Next, during winter, you'll see special boxes placed on Japanese roads. Because of snow, the roads become extremely slippery. To prevent accidents, these boxes contain packets of sand. People can open them and spread the sand over the snow, making the roads safe to walk on again. After use, the empty packets can be placed back into the same box. Last, in Japan, some people now use these special chopsticks. One side of the chopsticks is joined together, which makes them easier to hold, and the other end can be used to eat different types of food easily.
Yung cake. Regalo ko sa kaya Redido. Sorry pag fake kasi di ko nakaka-afford yung fake. Ayun, di ko afford yung real. So, ito yung bago ko talaga nails. Napakaganda ya. That's made of clay. Wow. Joke. I think that's made of clay. Is that made of clay? No. This looks like a cake. Don't touch it. This is my nails. It's so pretty. The premium squishy. That is not even a squishy. That is a needle. Yeah, this is a needle. Don't take it up. That is a jelly. Yeah, this is a jelly. This is so fluffy. So, this is... Hintuin muna natin. So... Ano mo? Hello. Napakaganda yan talaga. Di siya nababali agad. Napakaganda yan talaga. Not gonna lie. Ba't ako maglalay? Napakaganda yan talaga yun. Gagawa ako ng part 2 dere. Napakaganda. Tignan nyo naman, nakakahaliti sa face. Tignan nyo naman. Nakakadikit siya. O, diba siya? At squishy. Uy, naka-zoom na yan. Ba't naka-zoom? Napakaganda talaga ng nails ko. Wish ko talaga magka-nails sa ganire. So, dream niya magkanido, kaya binili ko siya. So, malapit na rin mag-end. Gagawa ako ng part 2. 2:45 na yung time na. So, tingnan nyo naman na napakaganda talaga yun. Ito yung nido na binili ko sa Shopee. Na makita nyo ng clear